All right, we just did a job with the Simpson pressure washer, 4 gallons per minute, 4,200 pounds per square inch. You can see how clean that sidewalk is. What do you think, Michael? Very strong?
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
And what we also did, this didn't come with it, but we were using the surface cleaner.
Speeds the job.
Yeah, it made the job go a lot faster. So anyway, this pressure washer here is great. You just pour straight gas into it right there, and then the oil and stuff goes down there, and pretty simple to use, pretty simple to haul around. So if you want a premium pressure washer, we'll get 4 gallons per minute, and this one by Simpson definitely gets the job done.